Ooh, ganda ng panahon, mahangin-hangin. Sarap mag-ride. Good morning again. Good morning. It's Thursday here in Saskatchewan. So guys, it's windy. Sunny day. It's a beautiful day today. Wow. Summer na summer pa rin kahit patapos na yung aming summer dito. So guys, I'm here in the side of our house para i-share ko sa inyo guys dito sa amin, dito sa Estevan, Saskatchewan, kung paano pick upin ang basura dito sa amin. So mamaya may dadaan na garbage truck. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano nila pick upin. Okay guys, it's Thursday today here in Canada. So today's video is about how they pick up our garbage in our area. So as you can see guys, there's a mini garbage bin over there outside sa kalye namin. And as you can see there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is a blue one here. It means the garbage bin, they have a classification. We have a classification here. The blue one is for recycle, no trash, no yard waste. And see, as you can see, so over there inside of our blue bin, garbage bin, are plastic bottles or cardboard. So that's the recycle means, or and also a paper like that. And the gray one over there, that's the one na naka-schedule today na pipick upin ng garbage truck for today. Ayan, so in the other side they already pick up, and the truck goes straight at the farther one at the end of this road, of this kalye, and magto-turn around siya, turn back, and para bumalik dito sa amin at sa bandang kaliwa. So mamaya abangan natin how they pick up the garbage. So para makita nyo naman guys kung paano nila kuhanin yan. Ayan, so today ang gray garbage bin na yan, may mga laman yan na ano, na waste, or na idadump nila sa landfill. Ayan, so maya lang abangan natin. Ayan, so ayan, i-pick upin na yung basura. Ayan, dito sa banda sa amin. Ayan, hi. Nice, I like it. I like that job. I like your job. So wow. So how do you pick up the garbage, guys? Wow. Thank you. So yon, kita nyo naman guys kung paano pick upin yung basura. Ayan, nakita nyo, tapos na siya, dumaan na dito sa kalye namin, dito sa amin. So wow, sana all, sana ganyan din sa Pilipinas, ano. Since na pick up na yung basura namin, ayan, kukunin ko na yung garbage bin namin, hatakin ko na para ito sa side ng aming bahay. Ayan. So ganun, ano, napakabilis lang at ang ganda ng trabaho nung lalaki. Kakatuwang trabaho niya, no? So ayan, ipista ko na to dito. So tulad ng sabi ko kanina, ito yung gray garbage bin. Ayan, so dyan namin linalagay yung aming mga waste or basura. Ayan, so merong yung classification gray 1 na may black na takip, and para sa basura waste. And ito naman yung nabanggit ko na kanina, yung para sa recycle. So yung iba hindi pa nila binabalik dahil mga nasa trabaho ata sila. Yan. So yun lang kasimple. Sana may ganyan din sa Pilipinas, ano. So yun lang guys. Thanks for watching again.